G'day guys, so today we are going to be building the big tile slide. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. For this tile slide, you're going to need bricks. You're going to need a lot of bricks. You want to make sure that you get some water on that concrete, and that'll just stop the whole thing from cracking later on down the track. We can build up the high end of this slide first, then using that as a reference, we can then draw a string line. So we know where all of those bricks have to be in line. Then we can put some cement over the top of that, and she's almost ready. Before you put the tiles onto the slide, just make sure that they're soaked for a little while, and this will just help when they're going on, less likely to crack and get a much better adhesion. To make sure you haven't got any sharp edges on all of these pieces, so no kids can get injured at all. After we've got our tiles in place, we can lay down some bricks along the side here, and they're going to act as a wall. You can have them 1, 2 high, 2 wide, as you like really. Just something so that it gives it a bit more structure and the kids won't be falling off and pushing each other off. Time to start priming this wall here. We're using an external wall primer for this. Get a couple of layers on there once your cement is dry, of course, and then we can start painting over the top. With all of these pieces, grab yourself one of these step-by-step instructions. They show you step-by-step how to build these pieces. Really simple. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.